Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we gather to witness an epic rivalry between two titans, where the stage transforms into a battlefield. Let the spectacle
pressure of Beviev. People saying, all right, I gave you a chance. Now this is my chance. Ooh, nice counter, right, left from Bivol, and he sent Beviev walking backwards, and now he's on the front foot. Combination punching.
Empty.
I did not go today.
That the result is fair.
I think Beviev was lucky.
Someone was hitting him. This judge should never.